All right, I'm going to demonstrate the skill of denture care for headmaster state testing. Hey, Mrs. Jones, my name's Melody. I'm your CNA today. Is it okay if I assist you with washing your dentures? Okay, let me pull your curtain, wash my hands, and gather my supplies. So you can hand sanitizer on approach. And we're going to then take the dentures to the sink to wash. So I have already prepared the toothbrush with the toothpaste on it. You don't want to take the toothpaste with you because that's just one more thing to have on the countertop. You don't need that. So put your toothpaste on the toothbrush. This basin is used as the barrier for your toothbrush. So you don't need a barrier under your basin because your basin is the barrier for the brush. So I'm going to take a set of gloves with me, and you can take a washcloth with you if you want to line the sink. I usually recommend using paper towels, so then you can just throw them away when you're done and you don't have a laundered item. So I've got my toothbrush to scrub, I've got my dentures and my gloves. And so now I'm going to head to the restroom. All right, so now we are in the restroom. So we're gonna start by setting our things down. I can set these down on the counter because the barrier's for the toothbrush. Here's my dentures. And then I wanna drape the inside of my sink with a couple paper towels. And then I'm going to glove. And then because I'm going to be clean, I'm going to barrier the sink to turn the water on. And you just want it cold and just kind of running at a steady speed. And then I take my dentures, put the dentures in your hand, in the palm of your hand, don't lose them. Empty out your cup, rinse the cup and rinse the cap both. Empty it out. Refill your cap or your cup about halfway full and set it aside on the barrier that you brought with it. And then you're going to take your toothbrush and you're going to scrub your dentures. You don't have to scrub them for any specific amount of time. Just make sure you get all of the surfaces. And then you flip them over, you get on the insides. Clean it all real well. Rinse the toothpaste off your dentures. Don't take too much time, just get them all rinsed. The dentures will then go in the cup. Close your lid, rinse your toothbrush off, and that'll go back in the basin. I usually like to dry it a little bit first. And I got some toothpaste inside my basin, so I'm just gonna wipe that out. Throw this away. Throw this away. And I'm dirty to dirty because I just put my hands in the sink, so I'm going to shut that water off. And I'm going to deglove. Now my hands are clean. And all I need to do is make a new little paper towel for my dentures. Fold it in half. Get rid of the old one. And now I can take these items back to the room. Okay, Mrs. Jones, is it okay if I set your dentures on the table? Always make sure you ask because it gives them a right to choose. We're going to put everything else back on the supply table. Mrs. Jones, are you in a comfortable position? Is there anything else I can get for you? Let me open your curtain and wash my hands. And I'm going to think about my skill before I say I'm done and review all of the steps. So I took the dentures to the sink. I barriered the inside of the sink, which is a safety measure. I scrubbed the dentures. There's new water. Everything's fresh and clean. And all my supplies is clean. So I feel like I did all my correct steps. I washed my hands and my skill is done.